All right, so in this lesson, we are going to solve word problems using a system of equations. This time we're going to use a calculator method. So example one reads, David owns an ice cream shop. Well, you know how it goes. Let's just go to the question. What system of equations can be used to find the number of each type of sundae sold? So number of, right? So he sells hot fudge sundaes for $3 each. And he sells caramel sundaes for $4 each. One day he sells a total of 14 sundaes and earns a total of $50. So we actually have two totals in this one. So hot fudge, so H. I think I can do a little better than that. So number of hot fudge sundaes sold. Number of hot fudge sundaes sold. So then we have C, which is the number of caramel sundaes sold. All right. And it says he sold a total of 14. So this is easy. So that means the number of hot fudge sundaes plus the number of hot fudge sundaes sold plus the number of caramel sundaes sold equals 14. And, well, I want to put that a little higher. I might need that space later. I can't even write 14 correctly. Okay. And our second equation uses the other total, which is $50. So $3 times the number of hot fudge sundaes plus $4 times the number of caramel sundaes sold produce a total of $50. So what you want to do in order to find the answer is, and the next one we'll do it, but I like to use X and Y instead. Okay, X and Y. X and Y. We're going to use Desmos. So X plus Y equals 14. X plus Y equals 14. So here's Desmos graphing. X plus Y equals 14. It'll automatically understand that. Well, think about it like this. It's making it say Y equals, and then it's graphing it. Okay, it's graphing. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. There we go. And then the other one is 3x plus 4y equals 50. So 3x plus 4y equals 50. Oh, and you can see that it's this blue one right here. See how it's blue, blue. And that's where they intersect. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And if you click it, it'll just highlight it, 6, 8. So this is, if I can find, there it is. 6, well, let's do it like this. 6, 8. And then that is the number of hot fudge. And that is the number of caramel. You could also just put it underneath, like if you want. But there might not be a whole lot of room. You can put H and then C like that. Or you could put like that. 6, 8, and then H and then C. It doesn't matter. As long, and you don't have to put it in words. Just, I want you to practice finding these answers using Desmos or the calculator if you have one. Okay, let's do another example. So Manuel and Jennifer are selling a giant bags of Takis and hot Cheetos. Oh, let's go to the end. How many bags of each do they sell? Oops, forgot the period there apparently. And how many? Okay, so both of those. Bags of Takis, bags of Cheetos, I'm actually going to make the Takis X, the number of Takis X, number of Hot Cheeto bags Y. So number of Taki bags is X, number of Hot Cheeto bags is Y. So they give us two totals again, total of 20 bags, $66. And then it says each Taki bag is $5. And each Hot Cheeto bag is $3. So I'm gonna put lowercase t. Number of Taki bags. And this can be the number of Cheeto bags. Number of Hot Cheeto bags. Oh, you know what I was going to do? Remember, I was going to put X and Y this time. So give me 1 second. Okay, X. Number of Taki bags. And Y can be number of Hot Cheeto bags. I don't know why. Oh, there it is. Number of Hot Cheeto bags. So we know that together they sold a total of 20 bags. So the number of Taki bags plus the number of Hot Cheeto bags sold is a total of 20 bags. We know that Taki bag is 5, so $5 times X, which is the number of Taki bags, plus the $3 times the number of Hot Cheeto bags will give me $66. So let's go ahead and graph these. X plus Y equals 20. Oh. So I'm going to delete these. Oh, X plus Y equals 20. And then 5X plus 3Y equals 66. 5X plus 3Y equals 66. I can see that they're going to intersect here. 317. I'm going to do it in the right color this time. So 3. And then 17. And this is the number of Taki bags. And well, I'll do it like this. There we go. And the 17 is the number of Hot Cheeto bags. Okay, so we have a couple more here, a couple more. So Luis has 40 coins. What's the number of dimes and quarters? Number of dimes and quarters. So let's do this. X, number of dimes, and Y is the number of quarters. You can do slightly better than that. Okay, so 40 coins total and 960. So we know that the number of dimes, the number of dimes plus the number of quarters gives you, or is the total of 40 coins total. And we also know that each dime is worth 10 cents. So 0.10x plus the number of quarters times 0.25 or 25 cents. 25 cents times the number of quarters should give me, or does give me, $9.60. So let's try this. X plus y equals 40. And then 0.10x plus 0.25y. 0.10x plus 0.25y equals, I think it was 960. Okay, now I need to zoom out. Ooh, so that one was weird, but that's why we're using the calculator, because this wouldn't even make sense in real life. 2.66 dimes and 37.33 quarters. 2.66, 37.30. So 2.66. Let me just make sure. Yep. Repeating. And then 37. Oh, okay. 0.33 repeating. And that's the number of quarters. I'll put Q like that. And that is the number of dimes. All right, to win a basketball game, one team scored 150 points. That's a total. They make a total of 62 pointers, so 62 pointers, and 3-pointers combined. Oh, that's a total. 62 pointers, 3-pointers combined. What system of equation can be used to find the number, how many of the baskets were worth 2 points, and how many were worth 3 points. So we'll put X is the number of 2-pointers. And Y will be the number of 3-pointers. We know that X, which is the number, well, yeah, the number of 2-pointers and the number of 3-pointers together provide a total of 60. 60 2-pointers and 3-pointers combined. We know that 2 times the 2-pointers, or 2 points per 2-pointer, plus 3 points per 3-pointer, will give me a total of 150 points. So X plus Y equals 60. And then 2x plus 3y equals 150. Well, there it is. 30 and 30. Interesting. So we can put 30. And then another 30. And that is the number of 3-pointers. And the number of 2-pointers. Okay, next page.